Hey y'all, it's GossMania. Well, I'm going to show y'all how to make sun tea. Well, at least the way I make it. So, I got these two big old mason jars from Hobby Lobby. I think they're $7.99. I think if you get them when they're on sale, they do the half off sale, you can get it for cheaper. But I use these big, tall, let's see how, I forgot how many quarts. It's 8 cups. This is 3 pints, so this is probably 4 pints.
Hi guys.
2, 3, 4 pints.
Hi guys.
So we go.
Hi.
We're gonna make it.
It's a Tinkerbell party.
I know. Well, I filtered.
It's a Tinkerbell birthday party.
Alright, shh. I use 5 Lipton tea bags in each container. Put them in there. Macie, be still. I stick them in the jar. I leave this much. I leave this much space, so when you put sugar in there or honey, it fills up when you do that. Anyway, you can cold brew the tea this way too in your refrigerator. You just put the 5 tea bags and put it in your refrigerator and cold brew it. But if you want sugar in it, you can't put sugar in cold because it won't melt. Unless you use Splenda. I think that's the only thing that might melt would be the Splenda for those unsweet tea drinkers. Excuse me, we're going to the backyard. Put this on the pool deck. It's kind of not as sunny, but you can tell we have a cloud. Put the tea out in the sunlight. You can already see it's starting to brew. So, we'll come back in about an hour and check it. So the tea's already brewing by itself, so I'm going to come back in an hour and check it. I usually let mine sit for 2 hours. Some people say let it sit for 4 to 5 hours, so. Well, it's been an hour, so there's the tea. I'm going to give it a few more minutes. I'm going to come back in about 30 minutes and check on it again since it's been pretty sunny, and I'm going to bring it inside and show you how I mix it with the sugar. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you can get information when we post. And I'm going to show you how the tea comes out. So, be right back. Well, it's been almost 2 hours, so I'm going to bring them in. Everybody, so you're going to want to open them. There might even be suction seals. See? I'll pop the seal. Take this out. Tea bags. I'm going to try to squeeze the rest of that tea out. Then, get half a cup of sugar and add it to it. See how it kind of raised up a little bit? You need to. There you have it. Let that go on. That's it.